Alright guys, so in this video we're going to look at Merch Informer's Merch Hunter tool. So go ahead and click it on the left hand side and then you can configure your search parameters. But what this is going to do is give us more control over filtering the results in our search to see the best selling Amazon merch products. So it's kind of similar to product search but with more control built in. And this I actually really like because unlike the product search, we can filter out the top 100. So you actually get a choice here of the best sellers on this very first dropdown. And I recommend actually staying out of the top 100, maybe even go to like 300 and above. All right. And then when it comes to sales rank, I like to actually, this may seem counterintuitive. Like if you only want to see best sellers, then go ahead and leave it at top 100 and 1 through 100,000. But the thing is, guys, I actually already did a search over here, and you get a lot of trademark stuff when you do that. Amazon merch has come so far that now they're realizing they can partner with big brands, and they're just constantly partnering with like more and more of them. Like I'm sure you've seen like Star Wars shirts, SpongeBob SquarePants shirts are really popular right now because it's summer. Marvel shirts are always like Thor, Fathor. Don't go after the word Thor, guys. I'm telling you. Even though the brand doesn't say Marvel, that could easily be. Stranger Things, so Netflix is partnered now with Merch by Amazon. There's just a lot to, like just because you see it on merch, guys, just remember that does not mean that it's safe to use. Like the moon landing stuff, I don't know if that's protected or not, but I would suspect that it might be, and you always want to be very careful with your merch account. You don't want to receive strikes against it. So what I like to do is when I come into Merch Hunter, I like to go to at least top 200 or 300 or more. Sales rank 100,000 and above. This will help. It doesn't guarantee, but it helps filter out a lot of the like brand partnerships that Amazon has with, you know, people that have brand recognition can obviously charge more money for their designs, right? Like a Marvel shirt, they can charge $25 for that shirt. It's people want Marvel. They know Marvel. You and I watching this video don't have the rights to sell it. They partnered with 7-Eleven. That's still showing up. Obviously stay away from that. But this is a great way of getting general ideas. So we didn't have to seed it with a keyword. Like on merchant search, we seeded it with a brand. Product search, we seeded it with a keyword. Here, we don't have to seed it with a keyword. We can, but we don't have to. So now it's like sometimes I wet my plants. Funny play on words there. We could even like bring that over to Amazon and see, sometimes I wet my plants shirt. I'm going to grab that and let's search it here. 209 results. So that's really good. I mean, this is a perfect niche to target that's hot right now in the summer. The search result bestseller ranks at a quick scan are looking good. A lot of them are under 1 million. And this seems like a very viable shirt to wrong tab to consider selling. And we can even click right here on the info and track their price over time and their bestseller rank over time. It looks good. The red highlighted words are the ones we need to watch out for with trademarks. Obviously the word stand and the word idea are fine, so no problem there. The trademark search is not perfect. And you can click the little C symbol. Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Where is it? You can click the shield, sorry, and it's a trademark check. And this will also check against Trademarkia the title and show you if it is if it shows you if it has anything similar that's trademarked, which this is good to go. So just like that, we were able to find and validate at least one good niche right from the top row of results. We noticed away from 7-Eleven, Mermaid Security. We can go ahead and even look at this one. Mermaid Security shirts. 183 results. I mean, again, another really good niche, guys. Like maybe after I finish these videos, I might go throw up some designs because I mean, look at this. 147,000 BSR, 160K BSR, 336K BSR, 162K BSR. Like these are great BSRs, especially considering like the whole top row is under 400,000 minus this one that's in 1 million. But it's obvious it's the weakest design up there. And you can also see, I mean, just take a look real quick. Like, there's some standard text-based designs here. Like, this is very simple text-based design. The little trident, you don't have to design. I'm sure you could probably go to like public domainvectors.org and probably find a trident. There you go. I mean, you can make those work, guys. You can make this trident work for sure. You could even like alter it a little bit, like, and make it a little bit more enhanced if we're using these for inspiration, should you choose to. So yeah, I mean, we've just got two really good niches that should be targeted right now because there's money to be made for sure, right out of the first row. We haven't even continued scrolling. There's a ton of search results. So the Merch Hunter tool is very valuable, as you can see.